Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our always anticipated giveaway announcement video where we announce all the giveaway winners for the prior month. For anybody who's new here to the channel, welcome. I try and do a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. So we'll announce today's winner for the October one, but for the November palette that we're giving away that we'll announce in December, it is the Mosaic Trend Beauty Palette, and this giveaway is live now. If you want to go look in the description box down below, it'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter this one. Everything I give away is always brand new. I don't give away used things here on the channel. And this is kind of what the palette looks like. Some really pretty neutrals and some fun pops of color. This one is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is also a Trend Beauty palette. It's the Glam Babe palette. So it looks like that. And I kind of mainly used these kind of little quad right in there. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings. We've got a couple big ones coming up, so we're really close to that 1,800 subscriber. When we hit that one, I've got a big one, art stuff set aside for that. And then when we hit that 2,000, I've got a huge one for that giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. It really does help out the channel when you guys like and comment and everything. Let me know how you guys are doing. So I do these giveaways as a way for me to get back to you, to say thank you so much for watching the channel. I truly appreciate it. It means the world to me. I think of you guys as family. It just my way of giving back, because you guys mean a lot to me. So the eyeshadow palette that we gave away for the month of October is the Murillo Twins from Beauty Creations palette. And look, this is your guys's. Look how stunning. I'm not going to swatch that silver because, like I said, I don't give away used items, but it's such a pretty palette. Let's spin that wheel and find out who won. Congratulations, Morgan G, on winning. I'm so happy for you. So for all the winners, give me a couple days to mail everything out to you, and I'll always provide tracking information for you. I also wanted to let you guys know that as soon as the giveaways are over and I mailed out the prizes, I delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't share it. I don't do anything. It just gets automatically deleted. So from the BoxyCharm unboxing that I did, there is the Dew of the Gods. It's their Dewy Collagen Face Primer. Let's spin that wheel. I'll get in touch with you and let you know that you won. Now for my iPsy Glam bag that I did do is the Pure Lease Illuminating BB Cream SPF. Let's spin that wheel. Congratulations, Carrie B. I'll get in touch with you and let you know that I won. If you didn't win this time, keep on entering because I'm such a small channel there. The odds of winning are really, really good. I want to thank you guys so much. You guys absolutely do mean the world to me, and this is my little way of saying thank you. If you enjoyed If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.